Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your payment method was declined. If you are using any iPhone or iPad, you're facing the issue that whenever you're trying to use or make a transaction or you want to use your payment method, you see an error which is your payment method was declined, update it or add a new payment method. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So there are two possible fixes. The first one is update your payment method, or second, add a new payment method. So let's try the first one. You have to simply open your settings app here and just make sure that you have a stable and a strong internet connection. Then go to set general, then here go to VPN device management and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that, then go to date and time section, enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back, go to language and region, select region and select your own region in which you're doing. After selecting a region, just go back and here go to software update and just try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back from here and then tap on your Apple ID and here just select media and purchases, then tap on view account and here just verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. After that, you'll find this type interface. Now you have to remove your previous payment method. Now through this, just tap on manage payments option here and just remove your previous payment method. After removing your payment method, just go back and then tap on this country or region option here and just select your own country or region in which you're living, or you can also try to select the country or the region which you have just selected in your iPhone settings. I'm gonna select this one because I have already selected this. Now just tap on continue option here and then tap on agree at the top right, and here you have to add your payment method. You have to re-add the same payment method here. Just add the payment method, then enter your billing address correctly. So if there will be any billing address issue, it might be fixing the steps. Enter the street. These two are optional, so you can skip them. Then enter your postcode. If you don't know about this, you can say it from Google. Enter your town, your country, your phone number, your name, and after all, just have a done option at the top right and your payment method will be updated. So after updating your payment method, your issue must have to be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you just have to try to add a different payment method, or you can also try to contact with the Apple Support team. Now to contact with the Apple Support team, just simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, then select this more option, select App Store here. Just wait for this loading and then tap on get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you'll be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.